In today's video, my goal is to upgrade the cooling in my PC laptop from a basic fan to the cooling power of a mini fridge. Before we get started, all I ask is that you subscribe as it helps the channel a lot. Without further ado, to get started, the first thing we need is a mini fridge. Here it is. The PC laptop we will be sacrificing today is this HP laptop. This was my first laptop that I got back in 2020. It has an Intel Core i3 10th Gen, 8GB of RAM, and a 256 SSD. When idle, the temps sit around 110 degrees, but when using it for gaming, it reaches about like 212. So to actually get started, I have to disassemble this laptop. Now, since we have the motherboard now, what I'd like to do is upgrade the RAM from 8GB to 16GB. And I also left this piece attached because it has the power button on it. I'm debating if I should remove the heatsink or not, but I'll probably leave it on. And let's add this stick of RAM. There we go, now it's 16GB. Alright, so with this mini fridge, the cabinet cooling box is right here. And what I plan to do is just have the CPU rest on top of this super cold surface. But if that doesn't make sense, then it will soon. Alright, so I got everything here. I got the charger, the monitor, the keyboard, mouse, everything. And here's some setup I have. We have everything here. So let's test it out. So it's been about 30 minutes and I did add this clamp here to hold the board down because it kept sliding because of all these cables. Since I had to take out the Wi-Fi card, I had to use a USB to Ethernet adapter, then get this wireless router. So that's what we have for internet. Let's do the gaming test. What game do I want to do first? Let's do Minecraft since it was the first game I played. Alright, so I'm in my Minecraft world right now, and for the most part, it's pretty smooth when going up and down, but when turning it, it kind of stutters a little bit. But it's so much smoother than before. I don't know if it's because I upgraded the RAM from 8GB to 16GB, but it's actually very smooth for the most part. Normally when I would usually play, it would always thermal throttle, but it's not doing that right now. So after playing Minecraft, here are the temperature. We're at 150 for the core number 0, and for core number 1, we're at 130, which is actually really good. In case if you don't remember, we were literally at like 212 for like the max temperature here. So like, oh, we're now down to 120, so that's actually really good. Next, let's play Fortnite. Alright, so we're loading up Fortnite, and on God, I haven't played Fortnite since 2022, so I'm sure it'll be a lot different. Max settings, of course. Alright, so here we are. Oh, I don't know what the controls are for this. Oh well. And I lost. See, I don't even play Fortnite, but oh well. Let's check the temps. So checking the temps, we were around 180, which is pretty good considering before we were at like 212. So this is much better improvement. The mini fridge is doing a good job at keeping it cool. So that's it for today's video. This fridge has done a great job of keeping the PC laptop cool. And in the future, if I were to build a PC, I would probably just go with water cooling. But hey, you could use this extra space to store soda cans or whatever. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments if you'd use this setup or not. I just realized I have to put this whole laptop back together, which is, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my new setup.